Good morning po mga kaduray. So ngayon po we are here in the place called Viken, the little cozy fishing village that I'm going to explore. And yes, how are you guys? I hope you have a good day. And yeah, let's go. Come with me and I will show you the little beauty of this fishing village. And let's go! Start po tayo dito sa ating dito po sa harbor nila, ang Bikin. So as you can see, they are preparing this is for smoking fish, lax, not lax, salmon, lax in Swedish. And this is the smoker. Isn't it cool? O, at yan po ay ang restaurant, yung puting yan. And I don't know if it's open today, but maybe this afternoon. Maaga pa po eh. That is the museum, little museum. And we are early today, so I don't know what time they open. And look at this thing. So let's see what this is. Oh, this is a monument that I think it's someone donated to this harbor. And people who caught fish. And that is the Galleria. Too many tourists here in summer. I think they are starting to open now. Or maybe in 1st of May. And here you go. And this is where you can sit. This fishing village is like the fishing village that I went to in last winter. Ramlosa. I mean Ro. It's not Ramlosa. Ramlosa is the other one I haven't been yet and showed you. So Ro. And here in my place called Kula Halbö, and it's surrounded by seawater. So doon po in that one is the Denmark, the Helsingør. And doon po ay ang Helsingborg. So mas malapit lang po naman. Alam nyo no, na vlog ko ako nun na malapit kami sa Denmark. So ayan ang very famous yun ang castle sa Denmark. I think I've seen also in the Ro when I was in the Ro. Doon sa kabila, doon sa doon. Punta tayo doon sa may windmill na yun. I-zoom ko yun ng konti. Doon, punta tayo doon. Tingnan natin kung ano yun. Sige. Dito lang. See you later. Yan po ay ang fishing boat dito. Si kuya ayaw magpa-video na nagtago siya. So yan. Simple ba? Ito po, lagi daw silang nag-fishing sa umaga. Siyempre naman. Fresh food. Tapos inanon sila sa sa may restaurant dun yun. Popular po dito. Napakamahal pa naman. So yeah, let's go. We're going to see the windmill. And let's see if there is a coffee shop that we can buy some bread or something to snack. And very windy today. So I'm glad I have my microphone with me. Ito po this is the for electric bike that they can park here, and at the same time you can charge it. And this is for the normal bike, and that is the pump. See, they have everything almost for riding. Oh, what happened? Umihi na siya ng kanya. They're only pumping the water. Never seen that. So we are close. It's not so far. It's behind. We go. Let's go. So everything you see is a symbol of boat. Because of course we are in the ocean and malapit sa ocean eh. Kaya ito mga ano lang dito po. Alam niyo, mga may pera. Siyempre, pag malapit sa dagat, I think we can be there because I think it's a private house with a windmill and a roof. So let's go. Maybe we can ask. So we go around and yes, I see the windmill. We will look. This is really nice. You know, I live close by, but I never seen this one. So, this is not open yet. But look. Very interesting. The windmill. I don't know how old this one. So you see there is information. This is the information of this one. And from is in English. Is from 1838. 1838. It's 64 steps up to the cap. It is 21 meters high. And the length of the wings is 22 meters. So 1838, that one. So it's not open for public. I think it is, but not today. I'll look at the door. Look at this door. Really? Oh, this is really nice. Look at how they build this small pieces. Oh, you know, I love this. And this is the gate. And this says also the old photo. So gate to that. Oh, it's a shame that they are not open. Because they are, syempre, nalagaan nila. It says here that in July 12 of April, they have the art gallery, art exhibition, and 5 of July it's activities. So this is cool. So they're open limit, hindi lagi, not always. That's cool, isn't it? So ang pangalan po nito ay Sophia Malan. Ang pangalan po ng windmill. Ay, may start. So, yan. If this, mga ganitong old fishing village, it comes the old house, which is, I love that wall. And, yan, ito po din, yan, the typical, may grass, at saka ang, ang kanilang, ito po ang kanilang streets. Punta po tayo doon sa coffee shop. Bili natin kung anong nandun. So, ayan po, dito tayo bibili. Tingnan natin kung anong nandun. Yung mga ano pong nandito yan. So, ang pangalan po dito, ang pangalan nito ay Urisund. Tingnan natin sa loob. Uy. Ano po mga typical Swedish. Masarap po ano. Yummy, yummy. Yeah. So we'll see what will we eat. I have a lot of ano mapapagpimilian pero dito sa kanila. Dito tayo sa upuan. Tayo upo at tayo ay iinom ng tsa. So, mag-order po tayo nito. At tayo po ay mag-chai latte. Ito po. Ay, may tao doon. Dito tayo sa tayo nag-iisa-isa. Ito po ay ang typical dito kinakain ng smeary bread ang tawag. Hindi ko maintindihan po ko sa English, sa English. Pero ito po, para siyang insimayda sa atin. Yung bang insimayda? Na parang puyod sa atin. So, let's see, we are waiting for the chai latte that I love. Ito po, mga cozy lang po itong place nito. Old style. This is what I like. Calm and dito lang tayo. So, hintayin natin. Dumating na po ang aking chai latte. This is my favorite sa chai latte. Chai latte. Simple, but so let's na lang tayo. Merienda tayo. So, tapos na po tayo. So, we are heading now to, we are just been eating the sweet snacks. And we are going back heading to the harbor. And I think, so we just follow this road, this way. And sama po tayo. Let's go! So, tayo. I can see the water right here. Right here, right now. So, follow this way. Oh, look at the style of the house. I think I'm gonna take this way because I can see the water from here. Really cozy garden. And look at the roof. Oh, ay di, baka nagbagets yun. Yung isa white. Ay, bilis ko. So, ayan, nandito na tayo sa ating yun ang water doon po ang Denmark. Oh, ito po yung tagiliran. Oh, I'm not sure what this is all about. And it doesn't say nothing, but is it like for the boat? I'm not sure, but I'm sure there is information about this one. Really cool. So, we are back na dito sa ating harbor kaninang pinuntahan. Ating inuna. Pero nalimiss ko po ito. I miss this one. And this is cool. I will show you. Here we are. And where are we? In this part. This part. That one is the beacon that we are now. And then, yeah, look at this place. And we call that Kula Halvön. So until that one, we've been there before. And I live in this side. I live in this side. So you can see it's water. That is, it looks like this Kula Halvön. And that is the map of Beacon this cozy village. So, that is. So, paalis na po yan. Paalis na si Kuya. Paalis. Ang galing naman. Dahil maganda nga naman ang panahon. It's a nice weather to have a boat ride today. So, it's windy today. So, it's perfect for boat ride, a seagull boat. This is the little boat that ang kuya, oh. Very nice. Off you go. Punta na siya, John. Punta na siya. Magsisigil na siya. Really nice. Sigil, 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 sigil. Tingnan natin. So, ayan. Magsisigil. Isn't it cool? We go, we go, we go, we go. Sailing, sailing tayo dyan. Oh, galing naman ni kuya, ng mama. Father, oy, oy, oy. Oh, he feels peaceful. I love this weather. And I love the see people having fun. Yan, meron po ditong this is something sign of the statue, a woman with a big fish. Oh, really? And this is the monument that they made. What is this village looks alike in that year? So what it says? It says it's this one after the name of Shoppingers. So from 1737, and this one is made from 2022, but the village looks like only like this, only few houses. 1737, and the fish, the woman fish. This is the woman fish. Oh, look at this. Really, really nice. So guys, I have to sign off now and see you in my next vlog. And don't forget to subscribe and share and like if you want to. If not, it's okay. God bless you too. And thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bula! Really nice, isn't it?